welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss a new different financial function, that is stock history. As the financial function name itself suggests, stock history, so we would be able to get the data of a particular stocks, prices and all. So in front of you there are symbol of some companies that we have taken from NSE website, that is Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, Infosys, ICICI Bank and Hindustan Lever and so on. First, we'll see what this stock history formula says. It says returns an array of historical quotes data for a symbol and date range that you specify. Pressing tab, post that I need to give the stock name. That is nothing but the symbol that I have extracted from NSE website. Post that I can put start date. The one thing that you need to notice here, you need to give only two arguments. One is stock and then start date. I am giving the date like 15th September 2025 and enter. It will take some time and it will give you the price like this. So the price of the stock was closed on 15th September 1399.30 like that. And I can use this formula for every stocks as well. Not it is for Reliance. I can simply press 5, it will take some time and it will fetch the data and give the result. So this is like simple and plain vanilla example of the stock history. Apart from that, if you want to leverage this formula to get our analysis or to do some analysis, how we can put this formula. So what I have done, if you see the normal plain example of this formula, if I want to see my result like 14, or maybe I can see 10 like that. But I'm getting here is I'm getting the results only for one single day, and the results are pretty much same in the vertical order. The thing is, I want to make our result in a transpose manner. That is, if I'm getting my results in a vertical manner, if I want to convert it back to horizontal manner, I can apply the transpose formula. So in front of you, I have taken the symbols of many companies, and along with that, I have taken the parameters like from starting from 1st June 2025 to today date. What I can do, we have discussed only two parameters or two arguments so far. I can put the end date also. Post that, it is asking me about the intervals. Interval I can give here is daily, weekly, monthly also. For example, I just want to get my result for weekly and press enter. It will take some time and it will give me the data like that. And just converting it back to the monthly option. And one more thing to notice here, after that it is asking about headers and all. Do we need an header or not? Again, the another property will ask like what do you want, the open date, close date, high, low, volume and so on. So in this example we are only discussing the price range, not the opening, closing, volume and all. I have taken this list and apply this formula, and I am able to get my result like this. Even I can make more fancy here. I can drag all the sheets, and I can delete this one and I can get my result like that. So in this way, I can get my data and do some more analysis, and it is really very helpful to do some financial analysis and all in the Excel itself, where you are not required to put any extra efforts. So be careful while applying this formula in terms of arguments and all, and it is very dynamic. It will take some time because it is fetching the data from the web itself. So this is pretty much all about this formula. Guys, hope you like this session. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.